Very windy last night. Oh, wind all night. But funny enough, not one coconut's come down or one branch from that tree, and it's not so windy now. But I hear a few crashes from the rubber trees. They're not mine, so I don't care as long as they don't take my electric out. Next door, get a few crashes of things. They've got these, I don't know what they are, but they're red things and they suck them and they get high. Druggy trees, maybe, I don't know. My garden's so dry, no rain. Corn's not so bad. It's coming on. So very high. Oh, high. And we've got little corns on it. Yeah, little ones. Another month. The onions have all dried up. I don't know what to do with onions. All I've done is cut the tops off. See if they... These I planted as onions, not seeds. But I don't know. They're very tasty, but I planted one and now I have 3. But they're not as big as what I planted, so I don't know. I'm not really a farmer. Chilies are doing okay. Oh, I don't know.